They're hearing noises coming from the fridge and the freezer section. As I'm taking it apart now, I see a lot of frost buildup. I'm going to take off the evap cover and see what's happening there. We're going to try to solve this right now without ordering parts. I like this model a lot because it's very simple to fix, straight to the point. It's just when it has a lot of ice buildup, a lot of frost, it does make it risky to get to because the plastic, you don't want to damage the plastic. And there it is. The problem is there. So it's like frost pattern. I don't really like that buildup, but and look at the major ice buildup. Luckily, we came and saved the fan before it failed. All right, finishing up. Everything's thawed out, defrosted. Fan feeling good, nice and strong. I love those Frigidaire fans. Let's finish it up. All right. Everything's looking good. Let's put the food back and then we're good to go. Fridge is looking good. And I hear the fan kicking on. Yep, I hear that fan. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's good to go.